Hello friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. This is a 32-inch hair LED TV. Here you can see the complaint. The 1/3 of the display is okay. The other portion of the display you can see lines and rolling picture. This is mainly because of Gatecof problem. The issue with the Gatecof. If any voltages are missing from the Gatecof, then we can bypass it. Here you can see it's a 32-inch Panda panel. Friends, while opening the panel frame, we found that the middle cuff, here you can see, the middle cuff is separated from the glass panel, and which is causing this issue. So to repair this TV, we need to rebond the Gatecof using panel bonding machine. So that's for today. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.